Hey guys, today we're looking at... Wait a minute. Hey, who's that? Get out of here. I'm trying to shoot a video. Go on, go! Before we get started, let me show you this. In a future video coming very soon, I'll be talking about this. If you want to know what this is, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified of when the video comes out talking about this. So we got a pretty quick video today. Matterhackers sent me some filament to review. We have their white in the MH Build series. This is also the MH Build series. This is silky yellow. I really love how this looks. It's really shiny. And here we have some of the green in their Pro series. This looks really good too. So, all of these print pretty well. I've had very little problems with them. Let's look at some prints. So the first one is an idea I had for holidays since Christmas is coming up. I had seen this pretty cool spiral Christmas tree design, and I want to do my own take on it. That one was designed to be printed on a single extruder printer, and you would print the separate parts and then they would twist together somehow. Since I have a dual extruder printer, I thought, well, I've got all the right colors here, green, white, and yellow for a star on top, and there it is. And so I designed this using Lightwave 3D and 3D Coat, and I think it came out really well. We've even got a little trunk on the bottom. But yeah, I think it looks really good. I did notice a little bit of a problem with the, this is probably with my printer. It's very white at the bottom, but as it goes up towards the top, it gets a little bit greener in the white, and the green actually gets a little lighter colored. So maybe something in my settings would allow it to purge a little bit more in between color changes. But otherwise, I think it looks really good. And as my Christmas gift to everyone, I'm making this model available for free from my mini factory. I'll put a link in the description below. Next up is a menacing looking Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. No way of knowing which one it is since it's all one color, so I guess you could paint it and make it whatever color you want. But he came out really good using the green and the white for the base. And yeah, I'm really happy with how he came out. Printed with no supports. Again, I will have a link to him in the description below. It comes with the base. I did have one problem with that, is that about halfway through my first try, the filament got tangled and ended up failing, so I ended up with a half of a Ninja Turtle. So, that sucked, but after I straightened it out, reprinted, and again it came out really nice. Back to my Christmas tree real quick. I printed the star and it was in the yellow, the silky yellow, and it looks great, but I thought that's not really very good to show on camera. It's so tiny. So I came up with another idea, and here we have the yellow submarine from the Beatles, of course. And I think this looks really good. It really shows off this amazing shininess to the filament. I probably should have printed this a little bit bigger. I had some problems with there were supposed to be 4 smokestacks, and 2 of them broke during printing. This one is a little wiggly, and there's supposed to be a bit of a railing around the top there that only half printed. But the larger parts of it, nice smooth areas, look really good. I will post a link to this in the description for downloading this one. Okay. And there was one more thing that I don't have with me right now, as a client hired me to 3D scan a rock and print out a copy of it. And I did that in the white. I have already shipped it off to the client, but I have a little bit of footage of it to show you here. That's it for this video. Thanks to Matterhackers for sending this out. I had a really good time printing with it. And I'm sure I'll come up with a lot of other really cool prints to make with it too.
One last thing to share is these Monvict nippers, or side cutters. They were sent to me to show in a video. I used them on all of these prints and they worked really well. The grip is much more comfortable than the one I got from the hobby shop. A link to them is in the description. Also, let's all say a big thanks to Loyal Moses for becoming my first patron at the $20 level. He's helping to make this a better channel. If you'd like to help too, there's a link in the description.
Alright guys, see you next time. Again, be sure to subscribe, like the video if you like it, and leave a comment below. See you next time.